it's Neil, and I am trying to get my RV to plug into a regular 110 outlet. And what I have here is, so I have two different converters that I have to use because I don't have one that just goes straight from the 50 amp to the 110 outlet. So I have this three-prong 30 amp one here. So if you pull into one of those RV spots that you need a 30 amp and you have your 50 amp RV, you just basically will put this on here and plug it directly in. What I'm gonna do though is go even one step further than that, and I'm gonna be plugging in my 30 amp to my 110 and plugging this into the wall. So I'm gonna go with plug it in, and we will see that in a second. Okay, so here we are. So we got our 110 little plug here, and then we have our apparatus here. I just didn't plug it in all the way because I want to make sure I can get it off easy. But you'll see, here we go. We'll plug it in, and and look at that. We have light here. Oh, I heard a click on the RV. So we got power. So how cool is that? So now I've got my big old RV plugged into a regular outlet. I don't think I can run the air conditioning, but I can run the lights and all that stuff, which is what I'm planning to do here in the garage. Awesome, thumbs up for me.